The X, Y, and Z axis travel can be customized according to the size of the workpiece, compatible with more types of workpieces. No fixtures needed. Welds randomly place parts accurately. Click on screen to scan. No CAD model needed, automatic programming. Scanning speed 7 SQM per 2 seconds. 3D modeling and generating adaptive welding path automatically. Welding automatically. Quality of welded seams.